ahead.
Hi, I'm Jeanne-Aimee De Marrais, Save the Children Senior Director of Emergency Work in the U.S. I'm standing here in Moore, Oklahoma. We are here responding to the immediate critical needs of children. We will be supporting children in the shelters during this very traumatic post-disaster period. And then we'll be here in the long term, supporting children's emotional recovery and supporting the recovery of the programs that children count on. We hope that you will partner with us in this work and support Save the Children's Oklahoma Emergency Recovery Work.